everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we are unboxing Pin Culture, and this is the scrunchie and earring subscription. If you don't know what Pin Culture is, it has so many different hair accessory subscriptions. I'm gonna link them down below. But before we get started on the unboxing and everything, and before I tell you more about the company, I just want to remind you all that I do have several giveaways going on. They're all really different, like one's for books, one's for makeup, one's for sunglasses. So definitely check those out below if you have not yet. They're always down in the description box. So yeah, I'm super excited. I've tried a lot of the Pin Culture boxes before, or subscriptions before I should say, and they're all so great. I think it's so convenient. Like they have one that's just for hair ties. They have one that, like this one for scrunchies. I'm so excited. I wear scrunchies all the time. I have a scrunchie in my hair right now actually. So I'm excited to see it. I think it's cool as earrings. They have some that have like both hair ties and bobby pins, and they're all really affordable. So again, I will link that down below. But yeah, let's get unbagging. This is the bag it comes in, super cute. And I love that it comes in a mailer bags. It's just not like a huge thing. A box really isn't necessary. So I appreciate that. So everything in the box is wrapped up nice and well. Look at that cute tape. It matches the outside of the bag, floral. So there is a card in here. It says, "Thank you for your order, Pin Culture." It says, thank you so much for subscribing to the scrunchie and earrings box. I hope you enjoy your coordinating scrunchie instead of earrings. This month's scrunchie is valued at $8 and the earrings are valued at $15. The total retail value this month is $23. Awesome. And there also is a little card here that has some promo codes and stuff like that. I believe I do have a promo code. I will link that down below, or I'll leave that with the link down below. And if mine's still not active, I'll double check. I will put the code that's listed on here instead. And it's not like an affiliated code. It's just a code for you guys to save some money if you're interested in an already affordable subscription. So I can see the scrunchie right now and it is super cute. So there's several things in here, and it looks like they gave some free extra gifts in here too to celebrate their 2-year anniversary. So that is great. So let's start with what actually comes like monthly in the scrunchie and earring set. So here is the scrunchie. I think this is so cute. I love the color. It's perfect for fall. There's some flowers on it. I love this. I'm gonna wear this all the time. I'm so glad to have another scrunchie. I only have one. So this is so great to have, and it's so pretty. I just love the color. I feel like it would look good with my dress I'm wearing right now. And the earrings look super cute as well. So they come in this little bag, and here they are. Oh my god, these are so pretty. I really like these. Make sure you guys can see them well, but they're so cute, I think. I'll definitely have to put these on. So pretty. I love the design on them. They have like little gemstones all around. So super cute. So scrunchie and earrings, $23 value. That is awesome. And then here we have some little bonus things. These are so cute. So these are 2 like ribbon tie hair ties, and they have little like shells with pearls in them. And I love the blue and the green. This is super cute. And then there's this pin that looks like hair cutting scissors. So here is the one side, and here's the back, so you can see it's just like a regular pin on one side, and on the other side you have these cute scissors. This is so fun. That's very unique and different. So that is everything that came in the box. Again, I'm gonna link them down below so you can like browse the website and see what else they have, and I'll leave any promo codes down below. But I am super happy with my new scrunchie, and the earrings are super cute too. I like everything. This is such a cute subscription. It's so convenient too. So yeah, they have so many options. Like I said, check it out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!